Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 10th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you chemistry. Now start your first chapter is chemical reaction and equation. This is your fourth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about types of chemical reaction where we studies about combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. Also we discuss some example of related to that. Here we continue. Next types of chemical reaction is a oxidation and reduction reaction, which also known as a redox reaction. What is redox reaction? Now here, an oxidation reduction reaction is a type of chemical reaction that involve a transfer of electron between two species. That is, oxidation and reduction reaction. This types of reaction occurs whereas a transfer of electron occurs. That is, behalf of this transfer of electron, we discuss oxidation state. If oxidation state are changed in reaction and some oxidation state increases and type next substance oxidation state decreases, then that involve this type of reaction. Now this redox reaction can also be defined as if a reactant get oxidized while the other get reduced during the reaction, then such types of reaction are called oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. That is, if one reactant get oxidized in a chemical reaction, if one reactant oxidize and other reactant are reduced, then that types of reaction we said to be oxidation reduction reaction. Now here two new terms are involved, oxidize and reduce. What is oxidize? Now here, if a substance gain oxygen during a reaction, if a substance gain oxygen during a reaction, then that types of reaction we said oxidize. And what is reduce? If a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, then there is a reduce. And this can be also we understand with example. Example is CuO plus H2 heat, we get product Cu and H2O. Here two reactant and two product. Now CuO, copper oxide is getting reduced to Cu. That means CuO reduced to Cu and oxygen removed. Here oxygen in combined with Cu and here oxygen are removed. So this conversion of CuO to Cu is reduction reaction. Now CuO to Cu, this is the reduction reaction, and H2 is getting oxidized to H2O. Here H2 convert into H2O and gaining of oxygen. Now it is the oxidation reaction. Now in this example CuO convert to Cu, this is reduction reaction, and H2 convert to H2O, this is oxidation reaction. Both oxidation and reduction are occur, so this is the example of redox reaction. Now we move to second example. Now previous example can also be written as this form, CuO convert to Cu, this is reduction, and H2 convert to H2O, which is oxidation. Now second example is zinc oxide plus carbon, zinc plus carbon monoxide, Cu. Now here zinc oxide, zinc combined with oxygen, and here zinc is free from oxygen. Now here oxygen is removed from his, so zinc oxide and zinc, this reaction is said to be reduction, and C combined with O, here oxygen are adding, so this is oxidation. Now next example is iron plus copper sulfate and product is iron sulfate plus copper. Here iron displace copper and form iron sulfate plus copper. This is also example of a redox reaction. Here not involvement of oxygen. In this example we discuss on the behalf of oxidation state. Now here this is the free state of metal. So and free state metal we assume oxidation state number is 0, and here FeSO4 is a sulfate ion, and sulfate ion is a oxidation number -2, and -2 transferring this other side we get +2. So here iron is +2 and here iron is 0. 0 this iron having 0 oxidation state and is converted to +2. 0 to +2, which is increases oxidation state of iron, changes 0 to +2, that is it is increases, and increases oxidation state is oxidation reaction. And here copper is occurring +2 because sulfate ion having -2 oxidation state, which transfer other side we get +2, and +2 convert into 0, it is free state, so its oxidation number is 0. +2 convert into this, and this is decreases oxidation state of copper, change +2 to 0, this is decreases, and decreases oxidation state means reduction. Here copper convert into this form, this is reduction, and iron convert into this form, this is oxidation. Both oxidation and reduction are occur, so this is the example of redox reaction. This can be also written as iron convert into this is oxidation, and this convert into this is reduction. Now some example of redox reaction also. In everyday redox reaction include photosynthesis, respiration, combustion and corrosion. This is the four format of redox reaction which occur everyday life. Now we move next topic is exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat is released along with formation of product are called exothermic reaction. In any types of reaction where in formation of product heat is also released with other form of product, then that type of reaction we said to be exothermic reaction. Now example of exothermic reaction is burning of natural gas, respiration is an exothermic process, and decomposition of vegetable into compost. This is the example of exothermic reaction. Now we move to next topic, endothermic reaction. An endothermic process absorb heat and cool the surrounding. This is the endothermic reaction, and example is melting of ice cube, evaporating liquid water, etc. Generally melting, boiling, evaporation are endothermic process. Now using this lecture you can solve your homework. Write down effect and 4 example of redox reaction. Thank you.